Parallel Wye-Scott, abbreviated as PWS, represents an electrical connection technique employed for three-phase motors. It entails configuring the motor windings in a particular manner to attain a greater starting torque compared to what's achievable with standard delta or Y connections. Regarding PWS connection choices, the markings indicate specific terminal connections. These markings guide on how to correctly wire the motor for PWS operation. They specify which terminal should be linked together to form the PWS configuration. The line connections are critical for ensuring the motor is properly powered. These connections dictate which terminals on the motor are connected to each of the three phases of the electrical supply. The PWS connection method provides advantages such as higher starting torque compared to conventional delta or Y connections. It also offers reduced starting current at full voltage and can allow the motor to operate at lower temperatures during startup. PWS is suitable for applications needing substantial starting torque. To connect a motor using the PWS method, firstly connect terminal 12 to terminal 7. Secondly, connect terminal 10 to terminal 8. Thirdly, connect terminal 11 to terminal 9. Fourthly, connect terminal 6 and terminal 1 to line 1. Fifthly, connect terminal 4 and terminal 2 to line 2. Sixthly, connect terminal 5 and terminal 3 to line 3. It's important to only utilize the PWS connection method if the motor manufacturer specifically recommends it. Inaccurate wiring has the potential to harm both the motor and the power system it's connected to.